what do we think? All these countries signing petition that they're not allowing mixed girls joining the pageant. Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
We're back with another video. We're still in my house.
Yeah.
It's a very nice background, different background, fun than usual.
I wore the same outfit as last night because I didn't want to change. I can't be bothered.
Yes. What are we doing today's video, Fabs?
I don't know which one of the two are we doing.
We're doing Catriona Gray's music video. We're all in this together.
I'm excited because I
that's
love
High School Musical.
Oh, is that? Well, that song doesn't matter.
It's We're in This Together.
But I watched a short clip from her Instagram when we did the Instagram raid. So if you haven't watched it, go ahead and do that.
Yeah, so right now we're finally watching it and reacting to it because we haven't watched it.
Without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Make sure to subscribe and like this video and share it to your friends and tell them to subscribe to our channel.
Chana. Oh my god, what happened to my hair? I didn't blow dry it today, so it's hell.
What happened to her?
My hair is on vacation.
So here we go. This was uploaded 4 weeks ago. It has 1.3 million.
Me. Yesterday it didn't work filming.
I'm not recording. It's
Oh, are you putting it in?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's an ad. We're not skipping the ad because it's Catriona.
I love her already with that orange outfit.
I love the videography already. I wonder if the exact same videography from...
I wonder. Can you tilt it a bit so I can see?
Oh, this is a good song. Oh, the lyrics is very intimate.
Oh my god, that's very...
Oh, that's nice.
Oh.
I love the lyrics.
That's so not what I was expecting.
Me too. She went deep. Very intimate.
Oh.
She went to Tondo. I think this is Tondo. Oh.
Wow.
Wow, she showed the real poverty in Manila.
But also the joy, the little moments of joy. I love it.
That's what I always say. Everybody in the Philippines is always so happy.
Look at her.
I know.
And she's so fresh. This is like it's a very different music video than usual.
Yeah. Oh. Oh wow. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, that is so nice. Use of holy powder. Yes.
Wow.
Look at all the smiles. Oh. I love the videography. Shout out to the videographer again. I'm not sure if the exact same one.
I don't know. To me it seems like it a little bit, that style. Oh my god, I love how she moves.
What? Oh, we did a photo shoot like this.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's
It's giving me goosebumps.
Oh. She has passion for children then, eh?
She really does.
She loves it. Hey.
I love how they're showcasing
nice.
the hands
Yeah,
I'll tell you
wonder,
why after.
What's the symbolism of the
I know
blue
what it
hands?
is.
I'm trying to get the message. Wow. Aww.
That's amazing.
Oh, that is so
Oh
nice.
my god, I loved it. I loved it, guys. It's so not what I was expecting, because I thought it was more of a pop happy song.
I thought so too.
But actually, it was very
Heartfelt.
intimate and
Yeah.
very real.
Yeah.
Very real. And I love how she showcased the hands, because the hands is what we use to touch and to create and to do things.
Also, that's the message you got from it.
Yeah, because she was
Okay.
like touching, and then she leaves the color on someone.
Right.
Because she's changing their life.
Right.
It's so beautiful. I think she's putting out there a beautiful message. Whoever thought about this video,
It's nice.
it's a genius. If she did it, I'm not surprised.
Mm-hmm.
But it's so strong. And if you notice, it's not like a regular music video where the singer is always there in the frame.
Mm-hmm.
No, most of the time it was just glimpse of her.
Yeah, they
and
highlight.
It was more
They
the
highlight
people.
the streets, the environment,
kids,
the
the
kids, the
people.
smiles, the laugh,
Yeah.
the laughter.
And then
It's
she
so
was
nice.
just in shots here and
Yeah.
there, but oh my god.
I like the symbolism of using the colored powder. That to me, that's like joy. That's like life is so colorful kind of thing.
Yeah, and Philippines is known because of its
Happiness,
colors.
yeah.
I remember when I first came to Philippines, the first thing I got off, and someone handed me a necklace made of wood, and it was like all different colors of wood.
Yeah.
And it was so beautiful, and I was like, oh my god, this never happened to me in my life.
Mm-hmm.
So they just give to you.
Yeah. So you want to come back to Philippines now?
Yeah, to get another necklace.
That is awesome.
It's beautiful.
By the way, so this videos might be probably short. So let's add on. What do you guys think, or what do we think about Miss Universe or all these countries signing petition that they're not allowing mixed girls joining the pageant?
I really think that is not right. That is absolutely not right, because we're one. Like,
Yeah.
honestly, in a
So-
few years,
Yeah.
we're all mixed.
That's my point. Here's my point. Here's my thing. Everyone in the world is pretty much mixed, especially Philippines, where we're colonized by Americans, Chinese, Japanese, and Spanish, the longest stayed, I think. And we're pretty much mix of everything. So does that mean Philippines cannot join the pageant? Also, I don't think it's fair for what about those young girls who happens to be mixed and has been dreaming to be a Miss Universe? And how dare the other countries or the Miss Universe committee taking that right away from them?
Yeah,
Like
it's,
what?
This is discrimination.
It is discrimination for the mixed girls. Like what happens to the mixed people? Are we
Yeah.
just not gonna?
I don't.
Are we just gonna not include them in
You
the
know,
world?
the beauty of Miss Universe is the fact that sometimes representing a country is not what you have in mind.
Yes.
So
Yes, you're right. You're right.
you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like, you can have Miss USA being a colored woman.
yeah, a colored woman.
So that's what is.
That's a good point
Like,
as well,
this is what I
because
mean.
in countries like Canada, USA, and other countries in the world, there's a lot of immigration, and like Fabio, or like me, I'm Filipino. I came to Canada and I became Canadian. So in papers, I'm Canadian by blood. I'm Filipino. So what does that mean? I cannot join because I'm Filipino, but my paper says I'm Canadian. So it just makes things complicated, and I don't agree with the petition.
Yeah, exactly. And we took such a huge step forward accepting
Yes.
Miss Spain as a transgender
Yes.
woman,
So
and now we're
this-
taking a step back,
This is-
discriminating a mixed.
This is going backwards if we do decide not to include
Yeah.
the mixed people.
So I'm wondering who came up with this idea, and
Apparently, the 16 countries are mostly Asian countries who signed this petition because they're scared and they're mad because Philippines won 5 years in a row. Not in a row, but like they won twice in 5 years. Pia Wurtzbach is German Filipino, and Catriona is Australian and Filipino.
that's true.
Yeah.
But that should not be an issue.
That shouldn't be an issue, yeah.
If you pursue a dream, and if you are a, I don't know, from whoever, Miss Italy, for example, she's still in Bali at this moment. But if you have your dream and you
Yes.
believe in it and you work hard on
That's
it,
my
it doesn't
point.
matter if
Yeah.
you're mixed or not.
That's my point.
You're putting your dream out there and you're helping so many people. So I don't
Yeah.
understand.
That's
I
my
really don't
point. We don't
understand.
agree in it because I don't agree in it personally. Because what happens to those mixed girls who grew up watching Miss Universe, who have dreamed of becoming a Miss Universe or just being on stage of Miss Universe stage, and then you take that rights away from them. You take the dream away from those little girls because they just happen to be mixed. Well, it's not their fault that their parents fell in love with different races.
Yeah, now my question is, yeah, for example, if we have a daughter, what's gonna happen?
Yeah.
Anyways, my question now is, 16 countries voted. What about all the other ones? They
We
don't
haven't
count?
heard back from them yet. Apparently, 16 countries and counting.
So this rule is not actually applicable right now because
No.
the countries are many more than 16.
Yeah.
So hopefully the other one are more intelligent and
I
smarter.
know. Oh, yeah,
because I'm sorry
definitely.
about you 16, but you're dumb. You're stupid. And I do not agree with you and I'm very mad at
Yes,
you.
relax. It's gonna ruin your day. Relax.
Ruined. My Christmas is ruined. Jeez Louise. You damn 16 mothers.
Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Before Fabio burst out into madness and anger, without further ado, we're gonna end this video. Why am I saying without further ado? Thank you guys for
Thank
watching.
you. Subscribe.
And
Follow
we'll
me on Instagram. So
We'll
I'm
see you
happy.
next time.
Bye.
Bye guys.